take a look at conducting a coaching analysis. Coaching analysis is the process of analyzing factors that contribute to unsatisfactory performance. The coaching analysis process is based on the assumption that poor performance can have multiple causes, some of which are within the employee's control and some of which are not. If the answer to the question reveals the cause, the supervisor should take the appropriate action and then monitor performance to see if it improves. If it doesn't, the supervisor should continue the analysis until it does. Step 1. Identify the unsatisfactory employee performance. Coaching cannot begin until a supervisor defines in specific behavioral terms what the employee is doing wrong or failing to do. Step 2. Is it worth your time and effort to address? After the problem has been clearly defined, a supervisor can estimate its severity. Step 3. Do subordinates know that their performance is not satisfactory? One reason employees may perform poorly is that they don't realize that what they're doing constitutes a problem. Step 4. Do subordinates know what's supposed to be done? Not knowing what to do and when to do it may be another reason that employees fail to perform correctly. If not, the supervisor should explain what's required. Step 5. Are there obstacles beyond the employee's control? Sometimes poor performance is due to factors beyond an employee's control. Perhaps the supervisor is in a position to remove the obstacles that are causing poor performance. Step 6. Does a subordinate know how to do what must be done? Many supervisors assume an employee who attends a training or orientation session will have learned the content of the session. Not all training results in learning. Step 7. Does a negative consequence follow effective performance? It's possible that an employee knows what to do and how to do it, but has learned not to do the behavior because it's always followed by an unpleasant consequence. Step 8. Does a positive consequence follow non-performance? Sometimes employees engage in poor performance because a positive consequence follows it. Step 9. Could a subordinate do it if they wanted to? Sometimes employees perform poorly because they lack the skills, knowledge, or ability to perform effectively. A coaching discussion can be used to respond to employee performance issues as they occur.